Hi, I'm Chris DeWitt,
And I am Oscar Yague.
and we're the founders of Ardmore Home Design. So not being a product designer, every season when I'm thinking about Pigeon and Poodle and you coming up with the new collections, I'm like, how's he gonna come up with new bath collections? What are some of your favorite pieces this season? Because you've got some really beautiful pieces that pull the collection in new directions.
I think it's always try to have like a theme, and then I'm trying to see what new materials and new techniques I can incorporate to the collection.
Yeah, there's definitely a stripe,
There is
neutral color.
This time it's a nautical theme, but also like
blues, beiges,
blues, beiges, and we did a new resin.
some metal.
We did on the Franklin collection, we also did a really nice stripe jute with a leather trim that is really nice. Then we do the lean, which is a laser cut metal, which is really nice. Some people is gonna see coral, some people is gonna see like more like
Geometry, like a pattern.
That's
almost,
correct. And then we also have the Norwell collection. It's a cane over glass, which I think it's also natural theme that it's really nice.
It's very upscale feeling, even though you think of a lot of the natural materials being more casual. I think that's got a very elegant vibe.
Yeah, it's always tried to use different. And then we have also the Denver collection, which
I love
is really
that one.
good.
Yeah.
It's really kind of like this, more like a menswear, barwear.
That's what it reminds me of, like men's clothing,
50s,
vintage men's.
Right, a little bit more
cigarette
vintage.
case or a cigar box. It's got that kind of a feeling to
So
it.
it's like always trying to see what different elements can we bring into the table.
Yeah.
That's for Pigeon Pool.